and welcome to the DY family. Today I have another recipe that I want to share with you, and it is peanut butter bars. These are very easy to make and they don't have eggs in them, so if you or someone in your family can't have eggs, then this is perfect for you. Okay, first we're going to add a half a cup of butter. We're going to add a half a cup of sugar. And next, a half a cup of brown sugar. And then we are going to stir this all up real good. Right, here is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. Next, we are going to add 1/3 cup of peanut butter. 1/3 cup of peanut butter. And then we're just going to mix this up real well. Now we are going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda, or half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this all up real well, and then we just have to add our flour and our quick cooking oats. 1 cup of flour. That's mixed pretty well, and as you can see, the batter is thick. You do have to use your hands to spread it in the pan because it will not spread with a spoon. Now we have our 1 cup cooking oats, and now we're going to mix this all up, and then we're going to lightly spray our pan here, and we're going to press it into the pan. And I just do. We're going to spray our pan a little bit. Alright, here is what our peanut butter bars look like before they're going into the oven. They are going in at 325 degrees, and you're going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Just be sure not to overbake them, or else they will be hard, and they're supposed to be soft and chewy. The recipe calls for 20 to 25 minutes, but I usually cook them for 15 to 17 minutes. As soon as the peanut butter bars are done in the oven, you are going to spread 1 package of chocolate chips on top of the bars. Alright, here is what the bars look like after they come out of the oven. Now we're just going to sprinkle our chocolate chips around the top, all over. And like I said, you can use as much as you want. I don't use the full bag. Now we are going to let the chocolate chips sit on here for 5 minutes, just so they start to melt a little bit, and then we are going to spread it around. Alright, it's been 5 minutes and our chocolate chips are starting to melt. Now we are going to take our knife or spatula, whatever you prefer, and you're just going to spread the chocolate around the top. Alright, we spread the chocolate all over the top of the peanut butter bars. Now we are going to let this set up and dry before we put our final peanut butter frosting on. And if you would like to have it set up sooner, you could put your pan in the freezer or the refrigerator. But you have to make sure that the chocolate is fully dry before putting on the top layer of frosting, or else it'll just mix together. Alright, our chocolate is all dried and hardened, and it is time to make and put on the frosting. Alright, for the frosting, we need a half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 to 4 tablespoons of evaporated milk, and then 1/4 cup of peanut butter. So we're going to take our powdered sugar and we're going to add 1/4 cup of peanut butter to it. And then we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. That's just how thick or runny you want your frosting. You want it to be not too thick and not too watery, but you want to be able to make it easy to spread onto your bars. We're going to take our peanut butter bars here and we're going to spread it all around the top. I kind of just put it all over like this, and then I will spread it all over when we're done. Now we're going to take a spatula and just kind of spread it all over. Now if you want a lot of peanut butter topping, you could double that frosting recipe. And I do sometimes do that. And here's what they look like when they are done. I went and doubled the peanut butter frosting recipe